How to track claim status on Progressive Insurance. Hey everybody and welcome back. Today we are providing you with a quick and easy, whether you're using the application, website, phone, or email. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So you can directly head over the application or go to the browser, which is progressive.com, and log into your account if you're not logged in. Now from here, we can directly look out for the claims option. So in the top of our screen, we should be finding a menu. We can look out for claims option there and click on it. And from there, we'll be finding the section. So here, we have find an option for claim support and a report a claim option. And another section is view the status of an existing claim. So we can look out for that option, click on it in order to view the existing one. And we just need to follow that process. So you can click on your active claim there. For that, we need to provide in these informations if you are not logged in. So first of all, providing your claim number, what number it was, and your mailing zip code. So enter it up in the section. Once it is done, you need to provide in your date of birth according to your legal ID and your email address that you use to create your account or report it. After that is done, you just need to click on this option called continue, and it will give you option. You can view the status and updates. The online dashboard will show you the same info as in the application, but sometimes with more details like messages and documents. You can just go over and do so. That is very easy way to stay updated on that section. You will be seeing the current status, received, interview, adjuster, assigned, estimate, complete, payment issued, etc. and notes from your adjusters and estimated timelines. You can just go and check it out from the section. If you want to call them, you can even look out for the call for in person. If you want to talk to a person to walk you through the status, you can just go over and go to their site. And there you can get the phone number option. You can call that number, and when you call, you can have your claim number ready. It's the quickest way for the rep to pull your info. And you can just go and check it out. You can also check the email you use for policy and look for messages such as claim received, adjuster assigned, or estimate ready. And that way also you can check it out. But usually these are some of the ways you can follow up to track the claim status in Progressive Insurance. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.